Tmien żeffina li jagħmlu parti mill-kumpanija Sfin Malta se jtellgħu wirja bit-tema Voyager, tema li tmur lura snin 70, meta n-NASA kienet varat żewġ kapsoli ta' żmien fl-ispazju bħala komunikazzjoni mal-aljeni. Aktar minn 40 sena wara, Sfin Malta taħt id-direzzjoni artistika ta' Paolo Margiola qed itella din il-produzzjoni b'movimenti li jiddeskrivu l-umanità tal-lum.
For this particular project, I always wanted to do something on Voyager. I come from the 80s and I was born then and space exploration was big and I always had this idea in mind and finally I got the chance to do it. And I got the chance to do it with a beautiful team of artists that are all Maltese and that's kind of amazing if you think about that your idea can come to life like that.
Il-viżwal tal-palk, is-siltiet mużikali magħżula u l-kostumi huma frott kollaborazzjoni ta' arti imsejsa fuq riċerka li waslet għal riżultati eċċellenti.
It takes a lot of time, research, dialogue, questioning with the right people that can also contribute to your own research. And you set the boundaries for something and you always hope to find through these boundaries something new that emerges. And when this happens, it's beautiful. So yeah, that's it.
Din il-produzzjoni se titella diversi drabi f'Malta, fil-waqt li f'Settembru se tkun parti minn programm speċjali ta' Sfin Malta fl-okkażjoni tal-5 sena mit-twaqif tagħha.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.